Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Iram here again with another topic, and our today's topic is lists. So let's remove all the previous tag and paragraphs. Let's start with the new topic. The new topic is, as I've mentioned before, it's about lists. Lists are very important. We use these lists in everything from in our web page. So there are three types of lists. The numbered lists, let me write it in a paragraph, it would be easy. Okay, there are three types of lists. And what are those three types? I'm writing in the second paragraph. Numbered lists. Oops, I'm sorry. So I was using something else and it bullet lists and not bullet, sorry, and definition lists. So these are the three types of lists we are going to learn now in today's lesson. So lists are used in our page in different way. If you have seen the navigation bar, mostly we use these lists in our navigation bars and in other things also, but this is only the example I've got right now for you to explain. And the numbered lists, they are the ordered list, like in these lists in which the items are listed with numbers. For example, if you want to write the recipe or some algorithmic steps, then you can use this numbered list you can use these numbered lists with that with those items or definitions or that list, whatever you want to define. Then the bullet list is unordered list. Okay, we define this numbered list with numbered list with we define this number list it is an ordered list, and we define it with OL tag. Then the bullet list, it is an unordered list, so we mention it with UL tags. Okay, and the definition list we use with DL. Okay, we use the DL tag for the definition list. All these lists are in pairs. They are in pairs. They are not single sides. Like if it has an opening and closing, all of them, they have opening and closing tags, and we use them with in the same order. The unordered lists are mostly denoted by numbers, sometimes with alphabets, also with A, B, C, sometimes with Roman numbers, and it depends upon us that what kind of ordered list we want, if we want it with the number or with the alphabets or with the Roman characters. Then the unordered list, it mostly denotes with the bullets. Okay, it denotes with the bullets rather than character. It indicates with the bullets. Okay, and the definition list is it is made up of a set of terms along with definitions for each of those terms. Okay, so it has not the definition list cannot be described with numbers or with the bullets. It has a different criteria. Okay, so let's see some examples of ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. Okay, so the ordered lists, let me go within the ordered list. And within this ordered list, we are going to create a list item. And for list item, we used li tag. And let's say, let's find something for this. I have a book actually. I'm not getting the idea. So okay, yep. So let's make a list for making a tea. What we can do, the first step is to go to the kitchen. Okay, this is the first step. Of course, if you go to the kitchen, then second step, get the saucepan. Okay, the third step, pour water into it. Third is put it on a medium flame. Okay, medium flame. I'm not going to go with the complete recipe. I'm just with the complete method. So just to check how the ordered list work, and I've saved it, and you can see, because we have says that it is an ordered list, so it shows the numbers. Okay, it is showing the numbers beside all the lines. Okay, before starting a line, it is go to kitchen, second step is get the saucepan, third is pour water into it, and the fourth one is put it on a medium flame. Now we cannot give we cannot give it the Roman numbers or alphabets. For that we need CSS style. So until now we didn't cover that CSS styles. In future, when we cover the CSS, then in that we can change the list items, or sorry, the list numbers with alphabets or with the Roman characters. So for now, just manage with this, and in future when we will study the CSS, then we will change it with, we will style it with the Roman characters or with the alphabets. Now the unordered list. So the unordered list, as I have mentioned before, that it is used with the bullet numbers. It shows the bullet numbers. The thing which is common between these ordered list and unordered list is the list item. So the list item, this li, it is common. We cannot change this one. It is go with both of the lists. Here I'm going to use the same things. I am not going to change anything else. So it would work with this. Okay. And again, what I'm doing, I should copy and paste it, so it will save our time. Okay, let's save it. Every list item has an opening and ending tag. Okay, we wrap these list items between our we wrap these list items are wrapped within the ordered list or unordered list. We cannot define the list items without these ordered list or unordered list, because they cover a specific space within these two. We can say that this is the parent and this is the child. Okay, the OL or the UL, the ordered list, or the unordered list are the parents of these list items. So without them they will not look good. The beauty of the page will not be as same as it has to be. So it should be wrapped within these ordered list or unordered list, the list items. And the list items, they have opening and closing tags. So let's go to the browser. And now here you can see the difference, that the ordered list is with the numbers and the unordered list is with the bullets. If we want to show them, we can show them. Otherwise, we can style them. When we will study the CSS, then we can style our CSS, our bullets in the CSS. And it is not necessary that we can use only these round bullets. We can use different bullet styles, same as we use different characters here. So those styles we can use those styles by using CSS. So right now we are just covering the HTML. We are not moving towards the CSS. When we will study the CSS, then we will use that styles in the CSS. Okay. I'm sure that I will cover all those things over there in the CSS. Okay. Now the next item, the next tag is definition list. It consists of a series of terms and the definitions. Okay, these definition list, it consists of the terms and the series. It consists of a series of terms and definitions. So how we can write these definition list? We start with DL and opening DL definition list and the closing definition list. And within this definition list, we used to say that it should be wrapped with definition term, which is DT, and the DT, after the DT, it is okay. Let me write first the DT and then I'll explain you the DD also. Okay, so the definition list, in the definition list we use DT, definition term, and here let me define the term. Suppose data is a term. Okay. Let me get this. And the term data, or okay, it's just it's for the demo purposes, and within that we can use DD. DD is the DD tag is used to describe terms. Okay, it describes terms and terms within the description list. Okay, and we can conjugate the conjunction. The DD tag is used in conjunction with DL, and it defines the description list. So it is more descriptive. It makes the DL, the definition list, more descriptive. We can use images or links or line breaks or paragraphs or lists, whatever we can use within this description DD tag, because it defines more. Like it's like a table. Okay, in future we will study the table, but right now let me help you that this is the title. Okay, and within that we have a heading, and here we are going to describe that what is going on here in a data. So what is the data? It is it is a raw information. Okay, so it is what we can this is what we can define, use this DL list. Okay, and let's go and check it in the browser. So you can see the way it is written, because this is the definition term dt, and this is what we are going to define, and this is the description of this definition of this term. Okay, this is a term and this is the description of the term. What is data? It is a raw information. So for today, I think it is enough. We have covered lists, three sort of lists: ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. And in future we will study something else, the next lesson. So for now, I think I tried my best to explain you. If you didn't understand anything, do let me know in the comments below and I'll surely get back to you. So bye for now. Hasta la vista and ciao ciao.